Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation, the weekend edition, because not everyone works Monday to Friday.
Would you like to unleash that hidden superpower that you've always had but never even used? You can book your free 30-minute call at ldlcall.com or send me a text message on 07801 543 515. This is a 1 minute motivation from the Learn, Develop, Live podcast. And here is your quote for today. There are only two options: make progress or make excuses. Yes, you've got just two options. Just two options for today, tomorrow, and every other day after that. Now, are you going to do nothing? Continue to suffer with what unhappiness you have? Or are you going to get off your backside and do something towards your goals and dreams, the ones you know you try been chasing? The choice is definitely 100% yours, but you need to make the right one. So, go and make yourself proud.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.